Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make sketch line art. First, grab your preferred drawing tool, whether it's a pencil or a digital stylus. Start by sketching very lightly, using broad, sweeping strokes to lay down the foundational shapes. Think about the main masses and how they relate to each other on your canvas. This initial stage is all about exploration and getting your ideas down without worrying about perfection. Now, let's refine that initial sketch. Begin to press a little harder or select a slightly darker brush to solidify the lines you want to keep. Use an eraser to gently remove the lighter, exploratory lines that are no longer needed. This process helps to clarify your drawing and makes it easier to see the emerging details. Aim for a clear, but still somewhat loose, representation of your subject. With your refined sketch as a guide, it's time to create your final line art. Choose a tool that allows for crisp, clean lines, like an inking pen or a digital inking brush. Try to draw each line in one smooth, continuous motion. You can also experiment with varying your line weight, for instance, making lines thicker on the underside of objects or where shadows would naturally fall. This adds dimension and visual appeal. Finally, take a moment to review your completed line art. Look for any areas that might need a bit more definition or a slight adjustment. You might want to add some very subtle details, like a few lines to suggest texture or a tiny bit of cross-hatching in darker areas. The goal is to have a clean, expressive line drawing that clearly communicates your subject. Congratulations on your new line art.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.